This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
If I'm a big guy in the crypto billion, one bag of actives and annihilate. Bloody shoes, man, I crypto.
What is up, YouTube? Thank you for checking out another video from Forex for Beginners. It's your boy PabloPipsFX, and today, guys, we'll be answering one of the most frequently asked questions, and the question that I do get from a lot of my friends. What is Forex? What is Forex? So guys, this video is gonna be short. I'm gonna try to keep it around 5 minutes or so, just to kind of touch on the very important points. Just to explain and get you guys to understand what is Forex trading. All right. So, I mean, totally ignore these trades going on right now. You know, I'm cashing in, trading on VIX. I currently have a few positions open on 25 and 10, raking in those profits, guys. It's a good feeling. But jumping into this video, guys, let's keep it short. Like I said, I want to explain to you guys what exactly is Forex trading. All right. So Forex stands for foreign exchange, guys. So if you don't know what that is, basically back then you had to travel to a different country, right, to actually buy a different currency, you know. So basically it's buying and selling the exchange rate of two currencies. So an example is, as you can see, I went ahead and just jotted down a few points. I get tongue twisted sometimes, guys. You travel from the United States to Europe with 100 USD, and they gave you 90 euro back in value, because we do know that different currencies have different values in different countries. All right, especially if you're traveling. If you get to Miami airport and you're coming from a different country, you probably got to change whatever currency you have to United States dollars, and it might be less if you're coming from like a third world country. You know, it might be a little bit low. All right, it won't be much, but that's basically it. It's just the exchange rate or value between currencies. All right, so the forex market, guys, has a market cap somewhere in around $7 trillion daily. All right, you cannot exhaust the forex market or deplete it. It's daily. It has $7 billion, I mean $1 trillion floating around in there. So it's a really huge market. It's one of the largest markets in the world. All right, the currency values fluctuate. So let's say, for example, you had $100, right? You have $100 and you traveled back to the United States. You know, you got $90 euros, and you travel back to the United States. All right, and they're trying to give you probably, you know, 125 or something like that in value, right? So you got more than that 100 USD that you initially left the United States with, right? And came back. So they're giving you like $125, and that is simply because the value of the euro probably went up in the space of time you took to leave that country, the European country, back to the United States. So the value of that increased. So now that when you went to get that cashed out, you know, you're raking in your profits. And basically this is what we do. All right, so you made you made $25 profit on your $100, and this is what we do on our phones and on our PCs and trading the forex market daily, guys. We're now able to just do this from our phone and computer, so we don't need to travel to different countries like we did back then. All right, so a lot of persons ask, is forex like stocks? No, they're not like stocks. So stocks specifically speaks to the values of a company within a country. All right. So people will buy stocks if they're confident that the company is performing well, and the value of that company will, you know, rise in the near future or the long term. You know, people will buy that stock of that company, and people will sell that stock if they see that the company is about to go bankrupt or something ain't right with it. You know, they're going to try to sell that and get out of there as quickly as possible. So stocks has to do with companies, and forex has to do with foreign currencies. All right, guys, basically in a nutshell. So wow, it is exactly 4 minutes. I'm trying to keep this video short, precise, and exact to the point. So I'm going to end this video right here, guys. I hope you guys understood by now what forex trading is. And if you got information from this video, please just like and subscribe. It helps so much. It helps more than you realize. Just liking and subscribing to this channel and video, guys. But it's been yours truly, Pablo Pips FX. Stay tuned for another video from Forex for Beginners. Until next time, stay safe. I'm out.